In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfectly roasted capsicums in the air fryer. It's quick, easy and delicious, perfect for salad, sandwiches or a side dish. To make this, you'll need fresh capsicums, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder and an air fryer. You'll also need a cutting board, mixing bowl, paper towel, gloves and a sharp knife for prepping. Before cutting, wash the capsicums thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or residue and pat them dry with a paper towel. Start by cutting your capsicum into strips or chunks depending on your preference. Be sure to remove the seeds and stem for a cleaner result. Then place the capsicum pieces in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. I like to add a bit of garlic powder and chicken stock to this as well. Then toss everything to coat evenly. Next, add the capsicum to the air fryer tray, making sure they are in a single layer for even cooking. Then you want to carefully place the tray into the air fryer, ensuring it's securely in place, and close the lid to start cooking. Set your air fryer to around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 minutes. Halfway through, give the basket a shake or flip the capsicum using tongs to ensure even roasting. Once the timer goes off, your roasted capsicum is ready, soft, flavorful and with a touch of char for that perfect finish. Serve these as a side dish, add them to your favorite salad or enjoy them as a snack. They're versatile and packed with a lot of flavor.